How to fix the hamster combat not working. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how and what you can do if your hamster combat is not working. So anytime when you visit the Telegram and your hamster combat is just not working out for you, then I will show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. So to know how you can solve this problem, watch this video till the very end. What you can do is go back from Telegram, go to the setting option, which is setting in every phone. You can simply search that in the search bar as well. Now what you can do is go to the app management. Search for app management. So just go on apps or app management so that you will find all the apps right here. Now you can simply search for the Telegram here. After you scroll down or you simply search for the Telegram from here, what you can do is you can just tap on it. After tapping on Telegram, go to the storage option and make sure you clear all the data and clear all the cache from the Telegram and go back again. After going back, force stop and uninstall it again and open it again. And again, you can go on the Telegram and see if your hamster combat works or not. So now it should work, but if it does not work, then I would suggest you to visit to the help center of Telegram and it will surely help you from your problem. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.